Hello guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. Today we are going to trade even and odd market. So for even and odd, because there's no ticker, make sure I want to trade even market. Make sure the last digit that are appearing are 3 odd digits. Then an even digit to press even. 3, 8, no, 7, 9, 7, let's see, 9, let's see, that's a loss. Let's do another one. 1, 6, no, 8, no, 9, 3, 0, no, 5, 5, 0, no, 1, 6, no. Remember to be patient with the market. 2, 0, 0, 9, 9, 3, even digits, press even. That's a win. Remember to subscribe to the channel for more. 8, 2, 2, 1, press odd. I've delayed. And that's a win. Remember to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, guys. Get me to 1,000 subscribers and I will be giving free strategies. The market may change, so let's go to over and under market. Let's do under, I don't know which to do, under what. Let's do under 8. This is actually most simplest way to grow a small account. For under 8, I said make sure digit 8 and 9 are below 10% and not increasing in percentage. They should be constant. The entry point for under 8 market is digit 9. When the digits that are appearing, the last one that ikiguza 9, press under immediately. Remember, the green bar and the red bar should be below digit 8. So this actually is very simple. Nimeingia mapema, but let's see. That's a 1. That's a win. It's actually very simple, but remember, don't do many runs for under 8. The market changes very fast. To minimize your losses, maximize your profits. Minimize. Let's get another one. Square, I'm yapping. 3, 5, 5, 5, 6. Let's see, 3. Start tuingie na 3. That's a loss. Remember, let's increase our stake to 25. Remember, I want to start. Remember, this is manual trading. I'm not using a bot. Comment down below if the strategy works or not. That's a good entry point, digit 8. Let's recover another one. 6, 1, 9, 4, 4, 8. Good entry points. Last one for under 8 markets. That's a good entry point. So that's for under 8 markets. I hope hapo tumepatana. So tufanye, let's do an under 6. Let's tafute under 6 markets. Remember, kama uelewi mahali, watch the video pole pole. Watch all my videos. At least you can learn something Let's do under 5. Let me see first. Let me see in trading view. Remember to, there's some conditions that must be met before just getting into any trading, because it's your money, don't risk it. For under 5, it's actually, let me see, it's not, the condition have not been met. For before my previous videos, down there I said digit 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 should be below 10% and not increasing. Digits below 5 should be above 10%, most of them. The red bar should be on digits below 5. The green bar should be on odd digits below 5, that's okay. So entry point for under 5 should be either digit 7 or 9. So let me see first. Yeah, it's a good market for under. My phone is hanging. Okay guys, peace out. Let's get to another one and I'll give you an under.